called Hard to Be. It's by Jimmy Vaughan and Stevie Ray Vaughan, the Vaughan brothers. You know, there's nothing much I could say about this song. It's just so in the pocket. My Lord, I mean, you know, this is the best, man. Rock and roll blues at its best.
Roll, now just feel something.
Brody. Pretty fast.
See the bow thing up there too?
Yeah. Making progress here.
Yeah, we are. Put this guy right in here.
Oh, sorry.
How you doing today?
Good. It's nice and chill today, eh?
Oh man.
Good for work.
Way better, eh?
Nice.
And it fits.
Beautiful.
It's good.
Oh wow, look at this. Nice.
How's it going, buddy?
Hey, how's it going?
Okay. What now? I can't do the valve because he's under there, so I can start sounding these plugs, I guess, and stuff.
We're going Duraglass, all that.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna be going for now.
You gonna go?
Yeah, just for now.
Okay. See you later.
See you later, Brody.
Sounds
Nice talking
good.
to you.
I made the move.
I'm making this right now.
What's that?
You want to go get some pictures of Paul? He's making this part.
Oh,
So
Paul?
do you know where? On the far side.
Yeah, the saw.
Yeah, the saw. Go check him out there.
Oh yeah, that'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go take a look. Thanks, Brody.
Oh, child.
Morning, Lance. Morning. How's it going?
Alright, you?
Just working on this. Are you corking?
Corking.
Nice. Never seen actually. I've heard about corking.
Right.
This is the first time. That's the material.
Yeah, that's the tail of the oakum. And I've got cotton in there first, this area. I can only go down so far today because the boat needs to come out of the water for me to get below that. Right?
Yeah,
So I kind of cut it a little short.
Spending this hour with everybody.
I'll saw the shape, and then it's 2 pieces,
Okay.
so it'll wrap in nicely.
Nice.
Yeah.